Lucid. Augmented reality is about adding to your visual experience, enhancing your visual experience. And there's been a lot of talk about augmented reality, but unfortunately there's no mainstream product. There are products, there are 25 of them, roughly, but none of them have become commercial successes. And there's a reason for this, in our opinion. They lack ergonomics. They're not easy to use. They don't have a wide field of view. Most of them don't incorporate prescription lenses. In other words, they are conceived as consumer electronic devices as opposed to an improvement to your glasses. At Lucid, we want to change that. We want to make augmented reality a reality. And to do this, we formed a company back in October of 2017. And we had a parent company that was really very beneficent towards us. They acquired a portfolio of 13 patents, exclusively licensed a portfolio of 13 optics patents, and invested approximately $600,000 into Lucid to start it up. So Lucid has a pretty good genesis. It's been formed by a listed company in the UK, and it's off developing its first augmented reality smart glasses. We also have assembled a team of what we believe are perhaps the best leading experts in optics and augmented reality in the world, which is a big statement. We have 7 PhDs on the team, actually 9 scientists in total. And so the combination of a portfolio of intellectual property, 13 patents, leading scientists, and the foundation and backing by a listed UK company, I think sets Lucid apart and gives it a good chance of potentially achieving its goal of creating mainstream augmented reality glasses. Now, the biggest problem with current augmented reality glasses is they're not comfortable to use, they're not ergonomic, they're heavy, they have narrow fields of view, very rarely exceeding 40 degrees, if even achieving that much. And it becomes difficult, if not impossible, for them to incorporate corrective lenses. About 75% of the world's population needs to correct their vision. Lucid lenses will be able to incorporate 3D printed prescription lenses exactly to the prescription that's needed by each user. Also, Lucid lens will have a wide field of view, be wireless and totally voice controlled using Siri, Google Voice, or Alexa. Now, everyone projects the augmented reality market, and you can see this in any presentation basically, as being extremely enthusiastic, growing quickly, achieving $36 billion, etc. But none of that will really happen unless there's a successful mass market product. And so we believe Lucid is the first product that people might actually be willing to wear all day long as an upgrade to glasses. Now glasses, it's really interesting. Glasses were developed in 1290 in Pisa, Italy. That's 728 years ago. And the basic design for glasses has not changed. There are a few other designs that have not been durable, like the monocle and the pince-nez. But the basic glasses that I'm wearing and others that you see in this room wearing are the same glasses the same design of glasses that people have been wearing for 700 years. And so augmented reality glasses are first and foremost, from our perspective, an upgrade to glasses, an improvement to spectacles. The other thing that's really interesting about augmented reality glasses is really how the brain works. The cerebral cortex, about 50% of it is dedicated to processing visual images. This is why people are so hooked onto their phones and looking at their screens all day long. But it's much easier to process visual information if it's in the context of what you're seeing. So augmented reality glasses are not only sort of a cool thing to do, they actually make learning and enjoying life and experiencing life easier and a lot more fun. When I told my daughter about this project, she said, "Dad, I need a pair of these glasses." I said, "Why do you need them?" She's a surgeon. She says, "Well, when I'm doing surgery, I want to be able to confirm the diagnosis. I'd like to be able to analyze the tissue that I'm looking at and assign a probability to it, to categorize it properly, and not just have to take a sample and send it to the pathology lab." So with augmented reality glasses that are truly mass market, it will change the way we do just about everything. Our project is segmented. Our focus is to build these glasses over the next year, and we also have brought on strategic alliances with 9 separate software companies to have them develop the software for the glasses. So there'll be a whole family of software applications available for games, for science, for engineering, for business, for entertainment, all ready by the time we have the glasses ready next year. And we're adding alliances as we go. Again, we have a very capable team, and it's somewhat unusual for a token generation event. One of the co-founders is actually a finance director for Lucid, who's a CPA, Konrad Dabrowski, and he served as an audit manager at Deloitte, the world's largest accounting firm. And we also have a very capable senior scientist and optics expert, and then we have a very capable software developer as well. So it's a full team of experienced professionals, and these professionals are augmented and advised by our Science Advisory Board, which consists of the director of the National Science Foundation Center for Freeform Optics, professor of optics at Vanderbilt University, a physicist with a focus on optics that has won an R&D 100 award, an optics prodigy, I think would be easy to say, in Leo Baldwin, who has developed many successful optics products for Amazon, where he's currently employed, and previously for GoPro, etc. So you get the idea. We've assembled a team that's really knowledgeable. It's a deep science team, and it's needed for this project. Our token has utility. You could buy glasses and software apps. You can also do peer-to-peer interactions, and you could do inland purchases. You can actually buy what you're looking at directly for the first time. We launched our token sale in November. We passed our soft cap last week, and we plan to close the token generation event February 28th. The tokens are 25 cents each. There are 50 million for sale, and whatever is unsold will, of course, be burnt. And all staff tokens are locked up for a year as per good corporate governance. So we're really excited. We've established the foundation in 100 days for a company that we feel can actually launch the next-gen augmented reality software-driven glasses. And we'd love you to learn more about the project, and we hope you have a fantastic evening and enjoy the rest of the conference. Thank you.